G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. We're just on a job site today. You can see we're in a refuse area here. Probably one of the most challenging areas in most body corporate or common areas. We've got some extreme build up and everything right through the walls here, right down through into the concrete. Look, to tackle this job you need the best gear and the best quality cleaning product. So what we're using today here is EBC, Enviro Bio Cleaner. We source this from Softwash Australia, which is up at Ashmore on the Gold Coast. Nick Hopkins can help you out there if you've got any questions or you need some supplies. I'll just be applying it down in a pump pack here, 5:1 ratio. I'm just going to go through from the top of the walls all the way down to the bottom. That's a nice application through there. And coming under the concrete, put that through, get rid of some of that debris in a minute. But, we're going to do some before and afters, but one thing you're going to find, whether you're a professional cleaning company with multiple staff or tackling big jobs, or whether you're just a small cleaner, independent cleaner, doing some domestic work, time is money. And using inferior products or cheap watered down products that you get from Bunnings or other places, your time is your money. So if you can do the quality job, keep the client happy, it's using the proper gear. So anyhow, EBC, here we go. I will snap back here after we've cleaned it and we'll show you the results. G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. We're back again. Just before we cut to a break, we're just showing you this refuse area in a body corporate complex. It was one of the worst I've seen. Obviously the walls before were black, covered in mould and lots of organics up there. And the concrete was extremely stained. Obviously we've still got some marking there. It's been there for a long time, but the results speak for themselves. I spent 5 minutes cleaning this after an application. So simple application, 5:1, EBC over here, Enviro Bio Cleaner. Just in a pump pack, sprayed it on the concrete, sprayed it up on the walls up here. Waited a few minutes, let it do its magic. Then come in through the pressure cleaner, just a standard floor cleaner, run it over the floor area here, and then I put the lance on, did the walls here. I spent 5 minutes cleaning this area here, so I have no doubt if you're using less superior products to this, or even your pressure washer needs to be maintained and use the right equipment, but it's certainly not rocket science. So the results speak for itself. So stop wasting time, get out there, grab yourself some EBC. Get that from Softwash Australia, which is at Ashmore on the Gold Coast. Jump on Google, give him a Google. Nick Hopkins is his name. Give him a call, ask him about it, and I'm sure he'll help you. Cheers.